Hey there! Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications.
It may seem a little premature to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10. After all, the Galaxy S9 has yet to appear on the market. Before going any further, it is worth noting that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will probably appear in February 2019. Samsung seems to have settled into a regular device window for what is its flagship device. And it is unlikely that the Korean company will digress from this policy next year, particularly as it makes sense with regard to processor arrangements. It has been reported that Samsung has signed an exclusivity deal for the Snapdragon 845, which will drive the Galaxy S9 in several geographical locales. So the earlier in the calendar year that Samsung can release the Galaxy S10, the more likely it is that such an exclusivity deal can be agreed for the next generation Qualcomm chip. Speaking of which, smartphone leaker Roland Quant recently provided information suggesting that the Snapdragon 855 processor will be a 7nm chip. Another recent report suggests that the Galaxy S10 could be compatible with the 5G wireless standard. It is certainly early to be making this assertion, as this system is yet to launch. 5G is expected to arrive, though, in the first half of this year, promising broadband speeds of up to 100 times faster than the existing 4G networks. A larger display size could motivate Samsung to increase the screen resolution of the Galaxy S10 over the forthcoming S9. While it is generally believed that the Galaxy S9 will retain the Quad HD Plus resolution of the previous generation, the S10 could push forward to the 4K resolution standard. This would be particularly logical if Samsung releases its first 4K mobile in the shape of the Galaxy Note 9 later this year. Both Samsung and Apple have been attempting to deliver an in-screen sensor, yet there have been technical and logistical difficulties encountered in doing so. This has meant that both of the megacorporations have been forced to shelve plans related to fingerprint scanners, and this could impact on the makeup of the Galaxy S10. It is possible that this innovation will instead appear in the 2019 version of the Samsung flagship. Interestingly, it has also been suggested that the Galaxy S10 could be branded differently to other devices in the series. While the 2019 smartphone release would remain the central product of the Korean corporation, Samsung could choose to name the device as Galaxy X as opposed to the Galaxy S10 moniker.